Hello friends, in this video I am showing you how to fry Wai Wai rice noodles. This recipe is easy to make and doesn't require too many ingredients. My name is Virginia and welcome to Desert View Studio. If this is the first time you stopping by my channel, thank you and welcome. And I also would like to thank you to my previous subscribers. Thank you for your support and continue watching my channel. At the time of this voice recording is a heavy rain going on. I apologize for the background noise. This is my first time cooking this recipe. So I used only 2 panels of dry noodles just to see how it turned out. I soaked the noodles in water for 15 minutes. Once the noodles are softened, you are ready for the next step. You will then drain the water. Since the length of noodles are quite long, I recommend using kitchen scissors. In this case, I break them with my hands. Pour small amount of cooking oil and use medium heat. Step 1. Fry minced garlic. You will need to stir it back and forth to avoid the garlic from burning. Once garlic turning brown, get ready to crack in the eggs. Make sure you break down the eggs in small pieces as you are seeing here. And then followed by noodles. I use 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and mushroom sauce and 1 tablespoon of sweet soy sauce. And lastly, adding green onion. And stir it a couple more times. And here it is, all done. Food smells really delicious and tastes really good too. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.